Hello children, welcome to Math Park. And in our park, today we are going to solve some problems on area of quadrilaterals. So these are the questions doubts asked by some of my students after my live streaming session on area of quadrilaterals. So here we go children with the first question. A diagonal of a quadrilateral is 82 meters. So you are given, this is a quadrilateral where the length of the diagonal is 82 meters and the perpendiculars drawn on it. So these are the perpendiculars drawn on it from the opposite vertices are 20 meters and 21 meters. So I'll tell you a trick children. So this quadrilateral you get two triangles with the base same. So if I have to find the of this quadrilateral, area of this quadrilateral, so I know that I'll get two triangles. Okay. So with the triangle as half and my base is 82 and then when I take this triangle the height is 20 plus again half my base is 82 and the height here is 21. So what we can do children, we can, since the half and the base is same, so half into 82 we take common. In the bracket we write what is left, 20 and 21. So 20 plus 21 from here left, 2 ones are and 2 41s are 82, and this is how we get this as, yeah, so this is how we get for 20 plus 21 is 41. So we get 41 into 41 and you can use that trick to find the square, okay, which is shared in the video. So that is how you get 41 into 41 as 1681 meter square. So this is the area of this quadrilateral, right? So easy trick children, take half and base common. This half and base you take common, it becomes easy to calculate. Let's take with another question. So find the diagonals of a rhombus. If the length of one of its diagonals is double the other and the area is given as 324. So we know that the rhombus is also a parallelogram, right? But here it is asked about the diagonal. So we have let the d1 is equal to x, then your d2 is equal to 2x. You are given that one of the diagonals is double the other. So let us take one diagonal as x, then the second diagonal becomes 2x. Okay, so second diagonal becomes 2x. This is how we take the two diagonals. And then let us substitute the formula. So half into d1 into d2 is our area of a rhombus and which is given as 324. Okay, so half d1 we have taken as x, d2 we have taken as 2x and which is equal to 324. Let's simplify this. So you get this 2 and 2 get cancelled and x into x you get x square is equal to 324. So x is equal to square root of 324. We have already learned squares and square root children. So x is equal to 18 centimeter. So unit of area is centimeter, square centimeter. So the length of the diagonal is centimeter. Now one of the diagonal. So this is how we get d1 is equal to 18 centimeter and d2 is equal to 2x. So which is 2 into 18, that is equal to 36 centimeter. Understood? Okay, let's take another question. Find the area of the following quadrilateral. Now you can see here the length of the diagonal is given as 9 centimeter and the perpendicular. So these are the perpendicular heights given. Okay. So you are getting two triangles again with a common base. So the common base can be taken over here. So we can take area in the shortest way. Sometimes in the MCQs it is asked, it becomes easy to calculate. So area of given quadrilateral, you can take it as, okay, half and this 9 is taken as common and we add those heights together, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, okay? So because half base into height and half base into height. So the half and base can be taken common. So that is how we get half into 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now this can be simplified further. So you can take this as 2 ones and 2 threes and 9 into 3 which is 27 centimeter square. Easy. Okay, let's go for the next question. A rhombus with side 12 meter and altitude 7.5 meter. If one of its diagonals is 15 meter long, find the length of the other diagonal. Now remember children, the rhombus is also a parallelogram. So we first find the area of this rhombus using the formula for parallelogram where one of the side is 12 and the corresponding altitude is given as 7.5, right? So we find the area of rhombus using the formula for parallelogram. So we get area of this rhombus is equal to, we know it is a base into height. So we get 12 into 7.5, which is 90 meters square. Now children, we know the area. We know the area, and now we will be using the formula for the diagonals, using the diagonals, okay? So now we use area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is also equal to half product of diagonals, right? So if one of the diagonal, so here one of the diagonal is 15 meters. So you have d1 is equal to 15 meter. You have area already, you know it is 90 meters square you have calculated. So let's substitute. So half into d1 was 15, d2 you don't know, we write it as it is, and 90 meters square is the area. So d2 we keep here. 90, when 2 and 15 go to other side, it becomes inverse 2 upon 15. When I simplify this, I get 15 ones are 15 and 15 6 are 90, and 6 into 2, which is 12 meters, is the length of my other diagonal. Easy, children? Just read the questions carefully. Okay, the last question. Now, the diagonal of a parallelogram is 48 centimeter. Okay, the diagonal of a parallelogram is 40 centimeter. Now, we are not using the area of a parallelogram base into height. Okay, so 48 centimeter. Always remember, draw the figure, it becomes easy. So, the length of the diagonal is 48 centimeter. The perpendiculars drawn from its opposite vertices are 5.2. Remember, it is not to scale, okay, not the exact measurement. And from this vertices, let us take it as 7.8 centimeter. Find the area of a parallelogram. Now, area of this parallelogram. Okay, area of this parallelogram, we will be using area of two triangles, which will be equal to half my height, the base, half into base I'll take as common, which is same for that, and I'll simply add the altitudes. So 5.2 plus 7.8. Okay, so simplify this. You divide 48 by 2. Dividing 48 by 2, you get 2 ones and 2 24s. And 5.2 plus 7.8 is 13. So 24 into 13, you get this as 312 centimeters square. Understood, children? Watch it again, rewind and watch it again if you have not understood. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Share this. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and keep asking these doubts. Thank you. Bye.